सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट नॉलेजेबल वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
आज का जो उन्वान है वो आप सबको पता है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं उसका ऐलान कर दूं कि इंग्लिश में जो टॉपिक है वो है प्रेजेंट एजुकेशन सिस्टम हैज फेल्ड टू एड्रेस आवर सोशल चैलेंजेस। आज का जो उन्वान एक बार मैं फिर बोलता हूं कि प्रेजेंट एजुकेशन सिस्टम हैज फेल्ड टू एड्रेस आवर सोशल चैलेंजेस। ये इंग्लिश में होगा। इसका हिंदी जो अनुवाद है वो है वर्तमान शिक्षा व्यवस्था हमारी सामाजिक चुनौतियों का सामना करने में विफल रही है। उर्दू में जो इसका तर्जुमा है वो है मौजूदा तालीमी निज़ाम हमारी समाजी मसाइल हल करने में नाकाम रहा है। आइए हम अब देर नहीं करेंगे, इस शेर के साथ हम अतुलित चौधरी को दावत देते हैं। चांद का ख्वाब उलझनों की नजर लगता है। चांद का ख्वाब उलझनों की नजर लगता है। तू जिधर होके गुजर जाए खबर लगता है। तू जिधर होके गुजर जाए खबर लगता है। उसकी यादों ने उगा रखे हैं सूरज इतने। उसकी यादों ने उगा रखे हैं सूरज इतने। शाम का वक्त आए तो शहर लगता है।
Hello and welcome to debate. Respected teachers, jury members and all my dear friends. I am Atulit Chaudhary from MLSN College Darbhanga, going to present my views on the favor of the given topic, which is that is present education system failed to address our social challenges. I certainly believe that it miserably failed to cater our social challenges. First of all, we need to understand that our social challenges are highly dynamic, and so do the social economic condition of our country. As we all know that India is a highly diversified country. In such country, the present education system failed to cater the needs of billions of people, which are our core Indians. We basically understand that the education system needs to be inclusive enough that it can cater the needs of all dimension of people. But it is not that so. It is highly exclusive. As I'll take some examples of that. First of all, the history of northeast of India. It has been excluded from our syllabus. The history of minorities of India. The history of LGBTQ community. While these has been excluded, this creates a potential threat that these people became a subject of racism and discrimination all over the India because people do not have knowledge about them. While we do a basic introspection of ourselves to understand why education is important, we will find that education helps in overall development of a child and to prepare him for future challenges. But certainly that is not so happening. What happening is that we are creating education to prepare children to get a government job. For getting a government job, there is no such skill set required. And the skill set, what it is required for a government job is basically no creativity required. And when the society will have no creativity, it's the high time that we should need to modify and bring reforms into our education system. India has suffered, highly suffered from brain drain concept because whenever people get employment, they basically move to overseas, like from village to town to metros, and from metros to overseas. We need to have an education system which cater our needs, not the needs of others. India is the highest producer of engineering graduate and science graduate in the world, but still, even after 70 years of our independence, how many novel ideas did we actually produce in science? We haven't produced anything because we have the education which is based on rote memorization and which in turn make us forget the valuable piece of information. We basically understand that India has to go further, but for this we need to bring changes. Now how changes can be brought? First of all, we need to understand what are our social challenges. Basically it's untouchability, casteism, racism, crime against women, crime against minorities, unemployment, poverty. So to tackle these all challenges, we need to have an education system which is evolved and reinvented, which is not based on a doctrine model, but on the model of learning, so that we can create a knowledge society in our hemisphere. Basically, we have to have as far as I am concerned, we should have a specialized syllabus, which is Know Your Country India, within which we'll educate each and every child about the states of India and the people who are living in it. Basically, their custom, their rituals, their religion, their eating habit, and their dressing sense, so that children could be made more tolerant. And if it is not done so, people became ignorant and they are highly susceptible to misinformation, which is present happening in our country. We may understand that India is a modern and a forward-moving country. Indeed, India is a forward and modern country. But on the other hand, India is a country in which every single hour one student dies due to academic pressure, suicide. India is highest in that. India is a poverty-ridden country with the low HDI rate. India is a country where people are filled with the orthodox belief and they do not embrace changes. And so on, they basically love to live with the old concept and they do not have the sense of equality and brotherhoodness in them. So I would like to urge all you people that do embrace equality and brotherhood in all of you so that we could take this country forward where United Nations and other countries stand. I would like to state that the present education system creates a rat race among us. We all look each other with a view of competitiveness. That is something which is not required because education is something we should create a sense of engagement in us. Engagement with the society. If the society is not engaged with the education, there is no point of having that so-called education. So with these words, I would like to rest my case by saying that it's rather be late than being sorry. Do embrace the change and take forward this nation. Thank you very much.
ये अतुलित चौधरी थे MLSN कॉलेज दरभंगा से, जो इंग्लिश के फेवर में बोल रहे थे टॉपिक के।
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा YouTube चैनल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट नॉलेजेबल वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।